Ukraine keep taking out Russian supply trucks, wearing down Russia's capability to conduct offensive and defensive maneuvers, seen here as a fuel truck had been abandoned, with the first drone striking the passenger side. While it often only takes one strike to destroy the truck, sometimes it needs a little more conviction, causing it to get more and more damaged until the last drone causing a fire to be created. Slowly and steadily burning down the fuel truck, destroying another of Russia's supply trucks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.